Each week, we're shining a spotlight on people in the region who are helping to improve the lives of others.
And Jocelyn Fry continues to fight for the rights of women across the board. She's this week's DMV Doer.
Jocelyn Fry is the president of the National Partnership for Women and Families. The D.C. native is a Harvard Law School grad, and she served in the White House during the Obama administration as deputy assistant to the president and director of policy and special projects for First Lady Michelle Obama. It's a role her parents prepared her for.
I had parents who grew up in segregation. They were both public servants. They were federal government workers. And I think I grew up with a very clear sense of what right and wrong looked like and what fairness looked like.
Fry's role as the leader of the National Partnership comes at a critical time.
We began in 1971 as the Women's Legal Defense Fund. Over the years, we've worked on a range of issues that really help women lead the lives that they want to lead, but more importantly, to make sure that gender is never a barrier to pursuing whatever you want in life. We work on economic security issues and employment issues, healthcare, maternal health, reproductive rights.
Jocelyn says women don't lead single-issue lives, so they partner with other organizations to address various needs.
We had to be holistic in our approach to really think concretely about what are the different things that are actually creating barriers for women to be successful, for families to be successful. And that leads us to work on a variety of issues. So it's not just paid leave, it's also creating fair workplaces, it's fair wages.
Jocelyn says more work needs to be done, but progress has been made.
What we know from businesses themselves, they will tell you that they have closed the pay gap for their workers, the gender pay gap, in part because they've adopted policies like paid family and medical leave. And it has helped them retain talented women workers who otherwise were leaving because they had care responsibilities. So we know that when you address all three factors, discrimination, occupational segregation, and work family policies, that together they can help to close that gap.